What's up, YouTube? It's Safety McNeil and happy National Fire Alarm Day. Yep, today is October 14th, 2018, which means it is National Fire Alarm Day. And this is also going to be Home System Test 2. So, yep. This will be Monday. Late by the time you are watching this, but it is National Fire Alarm Day when I am recording this. So, yep. Anyways, without further ado, let's put the panel into up test here. So, yeah. What? Article. I have, as you can see, I have 4 detectors and 3 might well to test. Now only one thing will not be getting tested today, and that is heat detector and static. So yeah, make an announcement before I set any alarms off. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Please disregard all fire alarms you may see or hear until further notice. We are conducting the October fire alarm test. I repeat, at this time, we are conducting the October fire alarm test, so please disregard all fire alarms you may see or hear until further notice. Thank you. Take these keys with me and this magnet here. Alright. And the reason why I am recording this at night is because I had to go to work today and I just got home. So, yeah. Alright.
You want the one on stick?
No. Okay, why won't you do it? You do it. Alright, guys, I am scared of being that high up on a ladder, so my dad here is going to test it for me. White circle. And small white circle. And hold it there. Right, it is pool station while we are down here. Alright, now upstairs. And I'm going to have to reopen that now and go to test the speakers and the strobes. Oh, yeah. Get the step header ready before I hit that position. Alright. Got my magnet. Why? Done with this. Right now, these are putting onto someone in my closet. Yeah. Right. Done with this now. Set it out of the way. And put magnet back. And we'll go ahead and set and we'll pull the pull station that's in my room here for the swap for the speaker swap test, and also push this drill button here and have a surprise sound. Yeah. Alright, that is now setting. Go ahead and open the garage event so I can make sure that the speakers roll in forward. So, yeah. Right, it is now open, so we can pull this pull station and sure the panel is put normal and here, so here we go.
Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan. Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation. Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan. Attention, please. Attention, please. The
Signal internet does heard indicates for an emergency in this building. Walk to nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan. Assignment. Now we'll reset the pull now. Then we'll press the drill button, make sure that first works, and we'll do that surprise. Right. Now that's real button here. Here we go. Right. That sounds like it's working.
Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard is...
Now we'll go to the surprise here. Surprise. And I need here's a surprise. Alright. We're also doing a no power test, so yeah. Once I get my foot free here, there we go. And we'll get activate this pull station here. As you can see, the strobe is there. This is good. So, yeah.
Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan. Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan.
Now I have to find a first one.
Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan.
Right, silence. And we already reset the pool, so we can go ahead and reset the system. Reset both pool stations, so we can go ahead and reset the system. There's our trouble. Alright. Now we'll make a now we'll go turn now we'll make a announcement real quick, letting everyone know that it's okay once I get my keys out. And I find the correct one here. It's like that. This one is it. And it was. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The testing of the fire alarm system has been completed. If any additional alarms are seen or heard, please terminate them respectfully and evacuate the building immediately or follow the first instructions as announced. Thank you for your cooperation during this test. Alright, I'm not sure if you heard someone in my room or not, but yeah. And as you can see, the voice effect panel is also still on since I haven't running off from the main panel here. So yeah, now we'll go turn power back on. Then I'll figure out why my emergency lights here didn't come on. And then once I figure out and fix that problem, upload this video. So yeah. Alright, power is now back on. So once again, happy Fire Alarm, happy National Fire Alarm Day, guys. And this has also been Home System Test 2. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you're new, and thanks for watching, and happy National Fire Alarm Day.